Today my topic is the milling machine. So what is the milling machine? So milling machine is a machine tool which is remove the excess material from the workpiece with the help of a multi-point cutting tool. Multi-point cutting tools means a cutter. Different type of the cutter can be used on milling machines. The milling machine is consist of a different type of the parts. So like a base, columns, bearing, arbor, overarm, brace, saddles, elevated screw, knee. These are the machine parts. So different type of the machines are available in a market industries. Like a number one is column and knee type milling machine. Column and knee type machine is also called the horizontal milling machine. Number two is vertical milling machine. Number three is universal milling machine. Four, production milling machine. Fifth, special type of milling machine. Sixth, fixed bed type milling machines. These are the machines are available in a market. The machine, all the machines like milling machine, shaper machine, planers, lathe machines, the body is made of a grey cast iron. Grey cast iron. The grey cast iron is containing the 3% to 4% carbon. The mechanical property of this material, the high compressive strength, low tensile strength, brittle material, high thermal conductivity, low cost or high dumping capacity. High dumping capacity. These are the mechanical property. So due to this mechanical properties, so all the machine body is made by the grey cast iron. So before purchasing the machine, different type of the machine, a milling machine, so first keep your mind all these ideas. So what is the specification of the milling machine? Number one is drive. So drive means automatically or manually is operated. Number two is spindle speed, the number of the spindle speed of the arbor. Number three is the distance covered by the knee, by the elevated. What will be the distance? How much distance is covered by the knee with the help of a elevated screw. Number four is table size, length and width of this table. Number five is total weight of this machine. How much area is covered by this machine. The machines are available in the markets also in numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. The number is indicate the different type of the size, length, width and total weight converted and drive spindle speed. These are all the items are coming in this category in the one numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the principle of this machine? The principle of the machine, in a milling machine process, the workpiece, the metal is removed. When the workpiece is firmly tight on a machine vise, the cutter is rotated at a different speed to remove the metal in the form of the chips. This figure, so you can see this figure, this is a working principle of the milling machine. The milling machine is used for a mass production. The cutter is moved in this direction. The tool feed is also, the table feed is also direction. In same direction, tool and workpiece is moved. This process is called the down milling process. This portion is called the land, or this portion is relief angles. So relief angle is play a very important role to flow the chips, and to help to the cooling the different cutting edge. This is the working principle of the machine. So what will be the metal of this cutter? The metal of the cutter are used the high speed steel tool. The high speed steel tool is contain the 600 degree Celsius temperature. Up to the 600 degree Celsius temperature, it is lost their hardness. The tool life is very dead. So fifth number is composition of this cutter. The 18% tungsten, 4% chromium, 2% vanadium, 0.7% carbon percentage are used in this material. So in this material, this is the different type of the machines. How to purchase this cutter? How to purchase this cutter? Number one is the outer diameter of the cutter. Number two is thickness of the cutter. Number three is the inner diameter of this cutter. The inner diameter of the cutter depends upon the outer diameter of the arbor. outer diameter of the arbor. The diameter of the cutter, inside diameter of the cutter 25 mm. The diameter of the arbor is 25 mm. So 25 mm, 25 mm. So it means that this is the plus 0.02 mm. So this is the 0.2 mm is clearance is given on this inside diameter. Inside diameter of the color. This dimension are used to insert the cutter on a arbor. So different type of the arbor can be different type of the tools are mounted on a arbor to cut the material at a different speed, at a different depth of cut. Different type of the machine are play a very important role to increase the production and also to increase the different type of the operation like a slotting, grooving and gear cutting. I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.